Tina with the Thankful Planner. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my Etsy hauls. As you can see, I do printable stickers, and I've been doing a lot of work in the garden lately in my front yard. That's why I've got terrible nails right now. And hopefully we should be getting it finished this weekend, so we'll see how that goes. But I just wanted to show you some of the things that I recently bought. Now, the reason why I love printable stickers is because, you know, I can keep these things for years and I can reuse them. You know, I can bring them in later on and just decide to use them. I do, and some of these sticker kits do come with the Erin Condren and the Happy Planner. And I do have both, so that's very useful to me. Anyway, I'm going to get straight in and show you what I have. So this is Beautiful Planning. It's a kit called Simply Blessed, and I'm printing on my silhouette at the moment, but I do have a Cricut, but I always find that the silhouette is much easier to print. You know, it's just how it is. So yeah, isn't it gorgeous? And because obviously I've been doing all this garden work, this really spoke to me. And so I have only printed out, I think, 4 sheets of the kit. So you see, you get all of these full boxes. What's that? Oh, this is your weekend banner here. And you get washi and headers. So yeah, that's quite a nice one. And these are what she calls little things. So just the sort of your tabs and things like that. And did I print 3? No, I just printed 3 out because I tend not to use them all. So I think there was 5 or 7 sheets, crazy amount of sheets, and I just print the 3 because that's all I need. So yeah, I think there was 5 actually. Okay, so here again we've got date headers, just a few sort of icons. What I did notice in this kit was there wasn't really any deco. But I very rarely use that much deco anyway. So anyway, so there you go. And you've got some habit trackers there. I think this printed out wrong. I'm just looking. Yeah, look at that. Oh, no. Now I'm going to print that out again. Okay. Yeah, okay, I have to print that one out again. Okay, so this is, I don't know about you, but in Canada it has been raining non-stop for the last few days, and I actually really like this one. It's really cute, really bright and fun, and it's paperlemonade.ca, and there's just 1 sheet that comes with the kit. It was pretty cheap though, and I just really liked it, so I'm sure I can find some other things to go with it to make it up a little bit. But yeah, very cool. Really like the design, nice and bright and fun. And as I say, just reminds me that it has been raining non-stop for days. So now this one, I just cut this out wrong. Okay, so it's still going to work, but well, it was set to cut cardstock instead of printer. So that one is like cut right the way through, but I'm still going to use it. I'm not going to waste it. And I can't even remember who done this. She hasn't got it on her sheet, so I don't know who made this. Yeah, and again, I think did I print them all? Yeah, I think I did print all of these ones. But anyway, I think it's really cute. I really like lavender. Where I'm from in England, there was a massive big lavender farm probably about 45 minutes away. It's very well known. Norfolk lavender is known throughout the world. So yeah, and you know, we'd go down there in the summer and see all this beautiful fields of lavender. It's wonderful. So you can go there and experience the whole thing. You know, they've got a shop there and see how they create their products. And but yeah, anyway, so this speaks to me of home, and I think it's really pretty. It's sort of got that watercolor look. And yeah, so we've got that one, which has got your dates. You've got your date headers, some washi, some half boxes, quarter boxes, and sort of like deco. I really like these. They're really cute. And then again, we've got lots of headers, glitter headers, checklists, check boxes, more check boxes. Yeah, very cute. And this one, I really like this shop. I have got a lot of things from this shop. I'm always getting stuff from this shop, and I really was looking for a photo kit. Sometimes I just like the photo kit, the sharp colours, and Print Petticoat Bandit is really good. I've got some, I bought quite a few foil kits from her, and she always gives you like lots and lots of stickers. So yeah, I really like this. So there you've got your full boxes and some checklists. Here you've got your dates and your day headers and your dates. Beautiful washi. I love this. Again, the flower theme, because I'm in the garden doing a lot of work. So yeah, I like that. And then you've got your deco and your glitter boxes. And there's always a lot more than I need. I still didn't print all of her sheets out. I think she does 7 sheets or something like that. But yeah, this is just really love this kit. Excuse me. Really love this kit. So let's see how we go. So that's it, folks. So that is my that's my Etsy haul. I am going to find out who this one is from, the lavender one, and all of the shops, all of the sticker shops that I use are actually down in my description, down below. They're all down below. And yeah, I know I keep a list. You'll see some of the things that I use in my planner. Well, I appreciate you coming back and watching my video. Thanks again to all my subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, it really helps me if you subscribe. I don't get paid for it or anything like that. It's just very encouraging. It means that I know that people are actually watching what I'm doing, and makes me want to do more. So I'd appreciate if you subscribe. If you click on the little notification bell, you'll be notified every time I load a video up. I do several videos a week, you know, 3 to 4 videos a week I'm loading up. And I'm over on Instagram at The Thankful Planner. So please check in with me. And yeah, let's be friends over on Instagram and chat about planning. Okay, thanks for watching. And I am not going to do I'm going to keep this short and quick, and I will now do a separate one where I'm going to use one of these kits, a separate video where I'm going to use one of these. And I will now do a separate video where I will use one of these kits in my Happy Planner. So come back and join me for that. Thanks. Bye-bye.